Hey guys, you're back with Samantha. This is my second video, and I'm sorry I'll have to cancel the Num Nums telling the series 3 because apparently my sister lost the paper. So yeah, so in this box we have something and we have no idea what it is. So let's see what's in here. So I'm really excited to see what it is, and here's my little sister. So let's see what's in here. So I'm gonna go first. Okay, so let's see. I'm not supposed to look. It's a fidget spinner, guys. Look at it. We've never had a fidget spinner. This is my very first one. And for some reason, I saw a fidget spinner. It had no white circles, so I wonder, I can't do anything with it. Guys, look at this. It looks so cool, guys. Yeah. You guys should really try to find this fidget spinner because this is really, really cool.
And the things can pop out.
Huh?
I saw that one of them pop out.
That's my very first fidget spinner, guys. So your turn.
Okay. Tell me if I. Guys.
Her very first fidget spinner. Look it.
And it's green like hers.
I think all of them are fidget spinners now because we both got a fidget spinner and they're both green. So let's see which other one I get.
And the rest of my rainbow shirt.
Let's see which one I get.
Yeah.
I don't want this one. It's a dark blue one, guys. The dark blue fidget spinner, and it is
I'm
really
still
cool.
spinning my green fidget spinner.
It's a smooth fidget spinner, and it feels so smooth and
you
so
know
nice.
They give you air
when
you spin them.
Oh yeah, it does. It smells kind of like vanilla or something, but this is a really smooth spinner, guys. Because when I spin it, no, they're not. But this one has got to be the smoothest one ever because when I spin it, the middle feels so nice, guys. It feels so, so, so good. So, it's your turn. Close your eyes.
I'm still spinning this.
Close your eyes. Your turn.
Guys, this is a radio fidget spinner. What am I going to do with this?
I know. Let me see. Guys, she got a glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner. And by the way, it has white circles, and if you look very, very closely,
it has a little tiny fidget spinner in there.
Right there. And this one has black bearings. And hers has black bearings too. And this one has black and silver bearings, and you can do this with it. I wonder if you can do that with mine. Nope. With those ones? Okay, nope. So back to me. Ooh, a white one. It has white bearings. So that's
hey, that's
black bearings. It has black bearings, and the bearings are these little circles in the fidget spinner.
We're definitely pushing.
So, your turn. Close your eyes. Can you open it for me? Open it. Close it. Not the.
Guys, look at this fidget spinner we almost got the same ones. But except the white isn't the same. Instead of the white, I got this one.
Let's see which one. Oh, and this one is like a lighter blue than mine, as you can see a little bit. And these are our blue fidget spinners. So I guess there's one more in here, and I'm guessing that one's for me. So I might as well get it. Ooh, it's a pretty one, guys. Look at it's galaxy.
Oh wait, you can actually spin the middles.
Ooh, yeah, that feels nice, but it only spins for a little bit. So that's really cool, guys. That is so cool. So this
one only spins for a little while.
It does. So that's really cool, guys. So I hope that they work really, really good. So let's take a closer look. Dun, 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 dun. So that's all for today, guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Show them your